lighting. We'll begin under the hood. Reach under the hood and push the latch to the side to release it. On the driver's side, the high beam is right behind the headlight housing. Peel off the dust cover. Pry off the locking tab to remove the wire connector. Turn this bulb clockwise to remove it. Plug in the LED bulb and test it. This bulb is polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't light, unplug it and rotate the plug 180 degrees and plug it back in. Line up the tabs on the bulb with the housing. The wire will be positioned to the side when installing. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise to lock it. The wire on the bulb will be at the 12 o'clock position when locked. Be sure the LED chips face out at the 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Feed the wires into the housing and replace the dust cover. Now we'll repeat the same steps on the passenger side. Peel off the dust cover and remove the wire connector. For this side, you'll turn the halogen bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Plug the LED bulb in and test it. Install the LED bulb with the pigtail out to the side. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Be sure the chips are orientated to the 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Replace the dust cover. When compared to the halogen bulb, the LED is much brighter. When we measure the output with our light meter, the LED far exceeds the OEM bulb. 6000K xenon white LED bulbs look amazing.